Hey, what's up, traders? So I'm going to show you how to find penny stocks before they pump. Let me show you how. So you want to find stocks that are about to pump. So let's do that. So this is one that I got in personally that pumped about 200%. So I got in at a 56 and it went to $1.52, which was a great trade. And this is what I found. This is what I look for. I look for stocks that are in a TTM squeeze. So basically they're consolidating. And these red dots indicate that it's consolidating. Also, I look at the z-score, which is standard deviations. So if it's in the red, it's standard deviation down, meaning it should go up. And if it's in the green, like this, then it should go back down. So it's too high. Standard deviation says nope, and rejects it right back down. Standard deviation is super important in the stock market. Also, third thing, lastly, what I look for is the MACD. So the MACD was crossed over and it was green. Volume's kind of important. It's not. Volume usually picks up after the squeeze. So yeah, here's the volume here for the next day. And we're trying to get in before, right? We're trying to get in before the squeeze. So yeah, that's what I do. So here's what I do. I set up a scanner to scan for stocks that are kind of consolidating like this and trading in a range. So this was in like a, let's see what kind of range this was in. Let's say this was in like a 10-cent range. So you got to scan for, what I do, I scan for the TTM squeeze to see if it's still on. So the squeeze is on here since the red dots. Also, you can combine that with the MACD crossing over. So if the MACD crosses over, like here, you can scan for that, and then you can see that, oh yeah, this thing's in the squeeze. This thing can pop. And yeah, this was a great trade for me. I could show you my screenshots. Hold up. This was my screenshot from when I got in. So I bought actually 1,700 shares. I just have a little screenshot here of a couple hundred shares. But yeah, I got in at 12:06 at 11 a.m. Eastern. So yeah, I got in right here. Basically right here, 12:06 at 11 my time. Like right here. I got in right here. So yeah, paid 55 cents, 56 cents, which is a banger trade. So yeah, I mean, if you're really looking for stocks that are about to rip like this is a really good setup. Like, I don't even know why I'm sharing this on the internet, but whatever. I'm trying to get YouTube. I'm trying to get that YouTube money eventually. So yeah, you just want to look at setups like this, things that are consolidating, things that are in a squeeze. It was in the lower standard deviation, which means it'll go higher, and also the MACD crossing over. But it doesn't always work out. It does not always work out. Let me show you one that I got in and it didn't work out. So I got an X Air, and I got in here at a 48. MACD crossed over. We're in the lower standard deviations, and I thought we were gonna squeeze. TTM squeeze was looking good, and yeah, next day flat. Next day went down, and still consolidating. So this doesn't always work out, and you kind of gotta have a feel for it. But it works some of the times. The market's not easy. If it was easy, I'd be a freaking billionaire by now. Here's one that I'm currently in that, like, this is current. I bought today for this one. So, yeah, I thought this looked like a good setup for a squeeze, GALT. So it's currently in a squeeze. We have all the TTMs red. So TTM squeeze all red. It's lower standard deviation, so we just crossed the midline to go higher. MACD's MACD's positive. So yeah, this is one that I got in today, and I'm hoping we'll go back to 3. So yeah. So yeah, I mean, for me, this is a perfect setup. Let me see. So let's talk about bigger stocks though too, right? Because we can use this with bigger stocks. So MSTR, which is I don't know, I've just been eyeing this thing like crazy. So MSTR. So let's go back. Let's go back. All right, here it is. Here's a good little play here, right? So this happened after hours, but still same concept, right? So standard deviation was below. It was -1. It was in a squeeze, and what do you know? It squeezed, squeeze, went from 234 to 270, 280. Sorry. So that's a good play. That's a super good play. Actually, went higher. I'm stupid. It went higher. It went to 350. So yeah, that's a super good play. Like, that's huge. That is huge numbers. I know MSTR has been running since Bitcoin's went to the moon. So yeah, but yeah, you can kind of implement this with bigger stocks too, and kill it really. So I don't even know why I'm sharing this, but whatever. I'm hoping the market makers don't find this and kill my vibe, but it's all good. I want to help out as many people as I can before they kill me. Nah, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I mean, yeah, this is it. This is the way you can find the squeeze, as everybody talks about. Everybody's always looking for that squeeze, and this is it. So yeah, I hope you like that, and thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe. I need 1,000 followers so I could get monetized. So yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you so much.